नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो. आज आपण केमिकल बॉन्ड्स याबद्दल माहिती घेणार आहोत. केमिकल बॉन्ड्स यामध्ये दोन प्रकार आपल्याला अभ्यासायचे आहेत, आयोनिक बॉन्ड आणि कोव्हॅलंट बॉन्ड. सर्वप्रथम आपण आयोनिक बॉन्ड बद्दल माहिती घेऊया. आयोनिक बॉन्ड, the bond which is formed by formation of ions is called as ionic bond. The chemical bond formed due to an electrostatic force of attraction between the oppositely charged cation and anion is called an ionic bond, or it is also called as electrovalent bond. The compound formed by means of this ionic bond, one or more ionic bonds, these compounds are called as ionic compounds. The example of this ionic compound is sodium chloride, NaCl. Here in this diagram, you can observe formation of ionic bond of sodium chloride. Here this is the atom of sodium. In this atom, there are 11 electrons. The outermost shell of this atom show a single electron. This is chlorine atom, and in this atom there are 17 electrons. The outermost shell of this chlorine atom show presence of 7 electrons. Means the valency of sodium is 1 and that of chlorine is also 1. If sodium gives this 1 electron to chlorine, then what will happen? Sodium completed its octet state as well as chlorine also get completed with octet state. So, because of giving this electron to chlorine, sodium form positive charge, while by accepting this electron from sodium, chlorine form negative charge. So here sodium ion and chlorine ions are formed, and both of them get entangled with together, and both of them remain together as a molecule of sodium chloride. In this way, ionic bond between sodium and chlorine is formed. In the similar manner, in this diagram, you can observe the formation of magnesium chloride molecule, MgCl2 molecule. Here, valency of chlorine is 1, that of magnesium is 2, and that of chlorine is also 1. So, one magnesium atom and two chlorine atom, they get together by formation of ionic bond. By accepting the electrons from magnesium, both these chlorine atom acquired negative charge while magnesium atom acquire positive charge. And so, there is formation of MgCl2 molecule. And here, these bonds are also ionic bonds. Here, formation of two ionic bonds takes place between this chlorine and magnesium and this chlorine and magnesium. And therefore, magnesium chloride is called as the ionic compound. Covalent bond. Generally, a covalent bond is formed when atoms of two elements having similar properties they combine. Such atoms cannot exchange electrons. Instead of this, these atoms share electrons with each other. And because of sharing of electrons, they form some bonds in between them, and these bonds are called as covalent bonds. If single pair of electron is shared in between two different atoms or similar atoms, then it is single covalent bond. If two pairs of electrons are shared, then it is double covalent bond, and if three pairs of electrons are shared, then it is triple covalent bond. Dear students, here in this diagram, formation of covalent bond in hydrogen molecule is shown. Here you can observe the structure of hydrogen atom. Hydrogen show a single electron, and both of these electrons get shared with each other by these two atoms, and there is a formation of single covalent bond in between hydrogen and hydrogen. It can be shown as hydrogen bond with hydrogen. There is a single covalent bond. So, hydrogen is a covalent compound. In the similar manner, you can observe the formation of covalent bond in water molecule. Here, two hydrogen atoms are shown and one oxygen atom is shown. Both these two hydrogen atoms share their electrons with this oxygen atom and they form the molecule of water. Here, also a single covalent bond is formed between hydrogen and oxygen and hydrogen. Means it can be written as H dash O dash H. H2O. There is formation of two single covalent bond and water is a covalent compound.